on Economics Chit Chat. Today we are going to talk about an interesting topic called as the Human Development Index. Compared to every single nation in this world, India has tried to make a rapid progress and tried to come to a level where we can be proud about our country. But unfortunately, when you look at the rankings of India, we stand at the 43rd position when compared to smaller nations like Singapore, Denmark, Norway, Finland, Switzerland, and other countries altogether. So it becomes very important for all of us to now start concentrating and start looking into the sectors, into the dimensions of how to make India the most innovative and the most powerful country in the world. Every time when we read about news that India's problem with China, India's problem with Pakistan, or India's problem with any other neighboring country, we tend to focus our ideas, our power, our money, our time, and energy towards our neighboring countries, and we get disturbed so easily. But what is that we have got to do to improve our economic status, to improve our human life status, and start going forward? For that, we need to concentrate a lot on innovation, infrastructure, the credibility of government, and on the policies and plans that can make our country stronger and take it forward as a global nation altogether. Now, for example, if you look at countries like UK, where healthcare has been given a higher amount of importance, comparatively, India is a country which is having about 135 crore population. In that kind of a country with such a large population, we have not really spent time on building up our healthcare facility. Now, due to the testing times that we are seeing today, we are trying to come up with policies or plan that would probably try to help the people on an emergency basis. But in the long run, if you start looking, India has not really spent time, money, and energy in terms of building the healthcare infrastructure as the number one. Similarly, from an education standpoint, we have only concentrated in providing elementary education or primary education, but we have not concentrated in making quality oriented doctorates, that is PhD programs. So this is the time for us where we start spending our energy in building qualitative research and start promoting our country at the global level so that everybody looks at India as a qualified country which can produce better scientists, better research, better doctors and engineers. So Human Development Index is a very composite index. It involves all kind of factors which rightly takes from the infrastructure, that is the physical infrastructure, to the intellectual thoughts altogether. Now, even when we started the Swachh Bharat program, our ideology was not just to keep the city clean, but our ideology was more from a developmental perspective. Moment the cities become clean, moment the living area becomes cleaner and greener altogether, that will help us to improve our environmental condition. India is definitely known for its heritage, for its tourism, and for the great culture that we carried forward for years together. But what we are seeing nowadays is that we are not able to concentrate on the environmental conditions. We are not keeping those places neat and clean. So that automatically starts spending an expenditure in terms of making it cleaner and greener. Whereas in the other nations, if you start seeing, they take a pride in promoting their tourism, their heritage, their culture, because they want to project their country as a clean and green tourism place altogether. Now, these small factors add on to the macroeconomic factors, which in turn affects the image of the country. So it is the right time for us that we start concentrating on innovation, we start concentrating on alternative fuels, we start concentrating on all the virtual technologies as far as possible and start making India a technically superior country in this world. Now we complain that there is no jobs available in the country. There is no jobs available due to the pandemic situation. Agreed and accepted. But what are we going to do forward? Are we now going to take a hint from this and start concentrating on our MSME industries so that we are able to promote more of employment and we are able to take our country to a better position altogether? This is the time where we have to give all our thought process, all our focus on the entrepreneur ideas of India. There are many young entrepreneurs who have come out with brilliant ideas, but they have not got a platform to prove their ideas. So this is the time the government of India needs to give them a chance, need to make them understand that the country shall stand with them with all the innovations and make them a better platform so that they are able to give out better ideas, better growth perspectives to this country. So let us join hands together. Let us try to understand ourselves that we as in a country have got certain standards of living and we need to promote our country to the next level, not just by discussions, not just by theoretical papers, but by making our country a powerful country in terms of thought process. So this is the time for all of us to start bringing our innovations in front and make our country feel proud that we as a citizens have come out with the best and the bright idea possible. There is no point in just raising patriotism by just shouting slogans. But this is the time for us where we have to show our patriotism through our hard work, through our innovation, and through our sincerity towards work. So let us join hands together. Let's start finding out new ways by which we can promote better employment, better living standards, better quality of life for every single citizen in this country so that our ranks, our position in the Human Development Index starts growing up and we become the #1 nation in the world which every other country will feel proud about us. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me today on this wonderful session. I hope you were able to learn something and you were able to share knowledge with me at some point of time. Thank you for watching this video. Let us join again tomorrow and learn something new on the economics front. Thank you and have a good day.